Hi everyone! So for today, we're gonna cook healthy Asian lettuce wrap. So we have two ingredients that you can find in www.karmanfoods.com. It's the #1 curated Asian food grocer. They have Korean, Chinese, Japanese, and Southeast Asian food ingredients. So for the first ingredient, we have here the Kikkoman soy sauce. So, Kikkoman soy sauce is an all-purpose sauce used to enhance flavor of Asian to mainstream American cuisines. It is naturally brewed soy sauce made from soybeans, wheat, salt, and water. You can see the complete ingredients at the back, and you can find also nutrition information at the back. For the second ingredient, we have here Lee Kum Kee hoisin sauce. So it's a spicy sweet sauce used in Chinese cuisine, used as a glaze for meat, addition to stir fries, condiments, or even as dipping sauce. It is made from selected spices and ground soybeans. So you can also check nutrition facts and nutrition information at the back of the bottle. So for our ingredients, we have here 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 garlic clove, 1 red onion, 1/4 cup of sliced mushrooms, 150 grams of ground beef, and of course, our main ingredient, 1 teaspoon of Kikkoman soy sauce, and another main ingredient, our Lee Kum Kee hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon, 1 medium shredded carrot, our romaine lettuce, but you can use other kind of lettuce, and lastly, for toppings, we have spring onions. Okay, so we're ready to cook the healthy Asian lettuce wrap. First, you have to make sure that the pan is already hot before adding anything. So once the pan is hot, you can add the olive oil. Swirl the pan to spread the oil. Next would be the minced garlic. Saute it until fragrant. Then add the red onions. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes, or you can wait until it's translucent. Then add your sliced mushrooms. Saute it until it's tender. And we can add now our main protein or meat, which is the ground beef. Mix it. And cook until its color is brown already. Okay, continue cooking the ground beef until it's fully cooked. Now that the ground beef is already cooked, we can add our seasonings, Kikkoman soy sauce, and then our hoisin sauce. And now, mix it until it's fully combined. Finally, we can add our shredded carrots. Mix it again. Cooking is done, so we're ready to have the plating. Now, we're gonna do our plating. So prepare your lettuce wrap and your ground beef filling. Using a spoon, fill each lettuce wrap with the cooked ground beef. So you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons or depending on your preference. You have to make sure that your lettuce is clean and washed. Spread it out evenly. So that's it. You already have your healthy Asian lettuce wrap. And now that you're ready to eat your healthy Asian lettuce wrap, you can top it with spring onions upon serving. Now, we're ready to eat our healthy Asian lettuce wrap. So this recipe is good for 1 to 2 serves, depending on your appetite. You can have it for lunch or for your snacks. And again, we use the 2 main ingredients we can find in www.karmanfoods.com. Kikkoman soy sauce and Lee Kum Kee hoisin sauce.
Enjoy. Bye-bye.